Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shiny bonbons. Temper chocolate precisely, support your workflow with organized tools, and choose quality fillings that complement your shells. Start by cleaning molds, weighing chocolate, and setting a thermometer. Maintain consistent temperatures and gentle handling to keep shine. Use a simple glaze or cocoa butter polish if needed, and cool bonbons gradually for stable gloss and crisp snap. Temper precisely, using seed tempering to stabilize crystals and get that professional sheen. Heat and cool to target temperatures for the chocolate type, stir gently to distribute crystals, and keep the bowl dry. Work steadily but calmly to avoid overheating, and test a small smear on parchment to confirm temper. Proper tempering yields glossy shells that release cleanly and hold fillings without dull bloom. Fill shells with balanced fillings that aren't too wet or too warm to preserve shine. Leave a small cavity for buttercream, ganache, or caramel, then seal with tempered chocolate. Tap molds lightly to remove air bubbles and smooth surfaces, then chill briefly to set. Once released, consider brushing with tempered cocoa butter or a thin mirror glaze for extra sparkle and a polished finish that enhances bite and appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.